Hey guys, guess what? I got me a free boat. I had an idea to get a whole group of people together, come down, get a free boat, and bring it up to New York, through the bay, out into the ocean, back into the river, and up. Well, that didn't work out as I'd hoped, but here she is. Come on, check it out. Let's go check her out. Built in 1953, she's a Paris Woodhull fishing boat, a trawler, cabin cruiser. And it's not in bad shape at all. It's got them doors there. And it's loaded with all sorts of stuff. I put food in there, but that's like a cooling area, like refrigerator. Storage. More storage. Yeah, there's propane in it too. This window here will lift all the way up and clip there. It's got a mini fridge in it. Got a whole bunch more cabinets in here, storage and all. Check that out. Yar! And it's great. It's cool because this here, and then this in here. Ah, my fingers. So yeah, that would latch, and then this comes down like that, so people can sleep. Arr. Check it out. Let me turn this on so we can turn the lights on. I got a bunch of stuff there, but there's one bed, two bed. Get a load of that. I got a kitchen. Got a bathroom. A lot of storage on this boat. I love it. And look, there's a bed here, here, and there. There's a hatchway there. There's a whole bunch of stuff that was in this boat that is mine now. Most of it's going to go away, but not all of it. Ow. Oh. Hoping you enjoy this, because this virtual tour, because there's a lot more. See, that's the roughest part of her right there. There's going to be a lot more videos to come. Arr. So yeah, and then there's that. So hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, get out there.